Pilera has been helping thousands of communities manage their day-to-day operations for over a decade. With that experience, we've been able to hone PileraOPS to be the most comprehensive community operations management solution on the market. If your team struggles to keep up with resident maintenance requests, rule violations, or architecture change requests, or if your residents and boards are requesting more feedback and updates on requests, Pilera can help. Keeping all of your resident requests in one spot while keeping residents informed of updates will save your company thousands in efficiency costs while increasing resident and employee satisfaction. Pilera provides that all-in-one package that helps you manage every aspect of your community's operations. PileraOPS includes work orders and vendor management, rule violations, architecture change requests, task management, and community and portfolio level reporting for each. Pilera work orders can be created by managers or residents and are accessible to residents and managers in the portal. Managers can assign tickets to vendors or other managers, as well as comment and update the status of tickets. With all updates, e-notifications can go out, keeping everyone informed. Pilera's tickets keep an audit trail of every update made and every e-notification that was sent. Our clients love this feature as it opens up transparency to all managers to see all that is going on with specific requests. This is especially useful when there are times of employee turnover. Extensive reporting options allow you to run reports at the community or portfolio level. You can run ticket reports based on the status of a ticket, who it's assigned to, the time frame, or even the category of the ticket type. Pilera's architecture request module works much like the work orders. Residents and managers can create their requests. One difference with this ticket type is that boards as well as committee members have access to the community's ARCs. Like work orders, updates can be made to the ticket and e-notifications can be sent. Residents can track the status in the portal, and board members and committee members can log their approval, rejections, or questions and comments within the ticket. Pilera's rule violation module makes it simple to log your violations, email the resident, and keep a complete history of all actions relating to a ticket. The same extensive reporting capabilities are available here. Some common reporting searches include portfolio-level searching on specific types of violations. Management teams appreciate this kind of insight into trends. Does your community struggle to keep track of tasks? Pilera's task management module allows you to create and assign tasks to board members and managers. All updates and resolutions can be recorded in the ticket and are accessible to all. Another great feature to help you stay organized. PileraOPS allows for better cohesiveness and sharing of information and will help your team gain substantial efficiencies. Provides essential organization for tickets and tasks and will help reduce your company's risks. We thank you for your time and invite you to request a demo or even participate in a free trial. Reach out to us today for more info.